Unlocking the power of lemongrass. 16 benefits for those over 50. Are you over 50 and looking for natural ways to boost your health? Look no further. In today's video, we'll explore the incredible benefits of lemongrass, a super herb that might just surprise you. From boosting your immunity to relieving pain, lemongrass is a powerhouse of nutrients and benefits. Stay tuned, you won't want to miss this. As we age, inflammation becomes a bigger concern, right? It's linked to so many health issues. Lemongrass contains compounds like citral and geraniol that have potent anti-inflammatory effects. This means lemongrass can help alleviate pain and discomfort caused by conditions like arthritis. Digestion can get a little sluggish as we get older, am I right? Lemongrass can really help with that. It contains a special kind of fiber that promotes healthy digestion. Plus, lemongrass can reduce bloating and gas, leaving you feeling lighter and more comfortable. We all want healthy, glowing skin, no matter our age. Lemongrass has powerful antimicrobial properties that can benefit your skin in amazing ways. It helps fight off bacteria that can cause acne, breakouts, and other skin irritations. Feeling stressed? A soothing cup of lemongrass tea can work wonders for your mind and body. The aroma alone is incredibly calming. Lemongrass contains compounds that interact with your brain to reduce anxiety and promote relaxation. A strong immune system is more important than ever as we age. Lemongrass is packed with vitamins and antioxidants, including vitamin C, which plays a crucial role in supporting your immune function. Our bodies are exposed to toxins every day, and over time, these toxins can build up. Lemongrass acts as a natural detoxifier, helping to flush out harmful substances from your system. Many people experience changes in their metabolism as they get older, which can make weight management a bit more challenging. Lemongrass tea can be a helpful addition to a healthy weight loss plan. It's naturally calorie-free and may even help boost your metabolism. Lemongrass has powerful antibacterial properties that can help protect your body from harmful bacteria. These properties come from compounds like citral, which have been shown to inhibit the growth of certain bacteria. This makes lemongrass a valuable ally in preventing infections and maintaining overall health. Maintaining healthy cholesterol levels is crucial for heart health, especially as we age. Studies have shown that regular consumption of lemongrass may help improve cholesterol levels. It may help lower LDL or bad cholesterol while increasing HDL or good cholesterol. For women experiencing menopause, lemongrass can offer natural relief from some of the common symptoms. It contains compounds that may help regulate hormones, potentially reducing the frequency and severity of hot flashes. As we age, maintaining cognitive function becomes increasingly important. Lemongrass contains antioxidants that can help protect your brain from oxidative stress, which is linked to cognitive decline. Lemongrass has long been used in traditional medicine to treat respiratory issues. It acts as an expectorant, helping to loosen phlegm and clear congestion. High blood pressure is a common concern as we get older. A lemongrass tea has been shown to have a mild blood pressure lowering effect. While it shouldn't replace prescribed medication, it can be a healthy addition to your lifestyle. A good night's sleep is essential for overall health and well-being, but it can become more elusive with age. Lemongrass tea can promote relaxation and improve sleep quality. Maintaining good oral hygiene is crucial for overall health, and lemongrass can play a role in supporting your oral health. Its antimicrobial properties can help fight bacteria in your mouth, which can contribute to bad breath and gum disease. Whether it's from exercise, gardening, or just everyday aches and pains, muscle soreness is a common experience. Lemongrass oil can be applied topically to relieve muscle pain and soreness. Ready to embrace the power of lemongrass? Start by adding it to your daily routine, whether as a tea, in cooking, or as an essential oil. Your body will thank you. You can find lemongrass fresh, dried, or as an essential oil at most health food stores. Experiment with different ways to incorporate it into your life and discover the amazing benefits for yourself. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more health tips.